When you use the papers with single motifs, not repeated patterns, you may want to showcase one particular section at the front of the package. Today, I'll show you how to do that easily using the paper with my favorite motif, puppies. Using your box as a guide, place it under the section you would like to highlight. Crease well along the edges of the box. These will be your guide for the remaining steps. Turn the box over. Wrap the paper around the box and crease well along these edges too. If you have any excess paper, you can cut it off, but don't throw it away. We're gonna use it to create a gift tag later on, so make sure to watch the video until the end. Double check that the desired motif is at the front of the package. Wrap the paper around the box tightly and close the end with double-sided tape. Close the other two ends. My ends are a little bit longer than what I normally cut. I'm trying to keep the paper uncut as much as possible, in case the recipient would like to keep it for the future use. As a dog lover myself, I was thrilled to have the opportunity to use this unique dog-themed paper and wanted to work with it without cutting too much. When the recipient opens the gift, she can enjoy the design of the paper fully. Now, even if you are not using the same paper, you can always use the same concept. Done! Now we're gonna add the pom-pom ball to this package. Let's measure the ball. With one end of the ribbon, make a figure 8 in the size you like. And cut. We need a total of 8 equal strips. I'm using the cotton paper ribbon with the paw print. Check the description to find out where you can buy this ribbon from. Make a figure 8 again and secure the end with tape. Repeat the same steps for the others. To attach them together, use double-sided tape. Next, place 2 strips in a crisscross position. Place the third one diagonally. Place the fourth one diagonally in the opposite direction. The key is placing them 45 degrees apart and make sure they don't overlap. Repeat the steps for the other 4 strips. Stack the 2 shapes, making sure the strips won't overlap. You can use double-sided tape to attach all the pieces together. We are almost done. Now, using the excess paper, we're gonna create a tag. You can skip this step if you prefer. I would like to use a backing paper to create a frame around. By doing this, not only it will strengthen the tag, but also it makes visually prettier. You can use cardstock, scrapbooking sheet, or artboard paper. I'm attaching the tag with a piece of ribbon and double-sided tape. Done. If you are choosing the single motif paper, plan well and select the best part of the paper to represent your front package. And I hope this video helps you do that. If you like the tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!